Alright, so I never really posted anything with my Jeep yet, but long story short, I made this last night. It's the old AMC logo on a little tassel thing. The reason why I did it and didn't buy it is because realistically, AMC can't sue me, so it's like whatever. But the main reason why I'm doing this video, you like those mud flaps or the whatever floor mats? Anyway. Is because I want to show you guys what this sounds like with the exhaust. Right here has a gap, and I didn't bolt that up because I wanted this not to get heated as much. But anyway, long story short, I bought a exhaust manifold off of a old one and I ceramic coated it. But right here is what I'm trying to show you is the sound that this bad boy produces. Ready? I'll shut off that mighty fan. Anyway, here we go. Come on. Oh yeah, like a top. This thing comes through. Woo! Get your song. Anyway, this thing's really loud, and yeah, I need to redo that part right here. But anyway, I will change out the exhaust manifold, and then you can hear the true and utter sound of the whole AMC without the giant exhaust leak. Like always, jack of all trades, master of none. Bye.